Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete messages from both sides on TikTok on your iPhone. For example, if you have recently sent a message on TikTok and if you want to delete that message from both sides, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So you have to scroll it down and you have to find the transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after resetting all of your network setting, you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the TikTok app, and here you have to simply make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the TikTok app. And after updating the TikTok app, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the TikTok app, and here you have to simply open the messages from here. Now what you have to do, you have to simply send a message. For example, if you send a message to anyone on TikTok and after that you want to delete, so here is option available. So you want to delete, so here you have to delete for everyone. So here is the option available. If you delete the message within 30 days of 3 days or 3 minutes of the message you have sent, then that message will be deleted from both sides on TikTok. But if it has been seen or any kind of option, so it may be reported. So if you want to delete it from the both sides, you have to make sure that you delete it within the 3 minutes, and then it will be deleted from both sides, and the person will not see it, and that message will also be deleted from both sides. But after 3 minutes, that message will be deleted from one side only, and the person will see the message you have sent. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.